How's everybody doing? And thanks for tuning in to this beautiful 2024 GMC 3500 AT4 Sierra at Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency safety strobe lighting, like this plug-and-play DRL Auto Flasher Kit, or those amber TIR3s with 90-degree mounting brackets available right on wickedwarnings.com in the description of this video as well. Let me show you what we've got going on around the back. Now, we did add an auxiliary aftermarket switch to run these right there because this truck did not have the factory switches, so we went ahead and added a switch. Around the back, we've got a plug-and-play reverse auto flasher kit, as well as some 3-inch sound-off M powers in amber. Now, you can also put those M powers in the steps if you like. We put them here so they line up with another build in the fleet. All of these parts are available as a DIY kit. Not a bad install at all. Thank you for watching wickedwarnings.com, and see you on the next video.